In the vast expanse of the cosmos, the possibility of intelligent life beyond Earth has fascinated humanity for centuries. While UFO sightings and alleged encounters with extraterrestrial beings have ignited curiosity, the notion of alien-human hybrids stands at the intersection of science fiction and unexplained phenomena. Welcome to this intriguing journey as we delve into the enigmatic world of potential alien-human crossbreeds. Could there be a hidden colony of hybrid beings living among us, their presence veiled by secrecy and intrigue? In this thought-provoking essay, we embark on a quest for answers, exploring the evidence, theories, and mysteries surrounding the concept of alien hybrids. From ancient mythology to contemporary accounts, we will navigate through the cosmic enigma and seek to unveil the truth behind the possibility of a hidden colony of alien hybrids. Section 1. Legends and myths of alien intervention. We commence our journey with ancient myth and legends that speak of gods and beings descending from the heavens to intermingle with humanity. Drawing parallels between these narratives and the concept of alien hybrids, we explore the role of ancient stories in shaping our understanding of potential extraterrestrial influence. Section 2. UFO encounters and abduction stories. Venturing into the realm of modern UFO encounters and abduction stories, we examine accounts of alleged human-alien interactions. From reports of mysterious lights in the sky to detailed narratives of abductions, we evaluate the plausibility of these encounters and their possible connection to the idea of alien hybridization. Section 3. The hybridization hypothesis. Delving into the hybridization hypothesis, we analyze the claims made by those who believe they are part of a hidden colony of alien-human hybrids. We explore the supposed motives behind these hybridization programs and the potential implications for humanity. Section 4. Genetic engineering and human DNA. Taking a scientific approach, we delve into the field of genetic engineering and its advances in manipulating DNA. We assess the feasibility of hybridization between alien species and humans, considering the technological capabilities required for such endeavors. Section 5. Alien hybrids in popular culture. Uncovering the influence of popular culture, we examine how the concept of alien hybrids has been portrayed in movies, books, and TV shows. We explore how these depictions have shaped public perception and the blurred lines between fiction and potential reality. Section 6. The search for evidence. Embarking on a quest for concrete evidence, we explore purported photographs, videos, and testimonies from individuals who claim to have encountered alien hybrids. We assess the credibility of this evidence and the challenges in distinguishing fact from fiction. Section 7. Government cover-ups and secrecy. Examining the notion of government cover-ups, we investigate claims of clandestine organizations concealing the truth about alien hybrids. We explore the motives behind such secrecy and the potential consequences of revealing this alleged information to the public. Section 8. The psychological impact of belief. Unraveling the psychological aspect, we study the impact of belief in alien hybrids on individuals and society as a whole. We explore how deeply held beliefs can influence behavior, attitudes, and even shape the course of human history. Section 9. Skepticism and debunking theories. In the spirit of critical thinking, we analyze the skepticism surrounding the idea of alien hybrids. We explore alternative explanations and debunking theories that offer a more conventional perspective on reported encounters. Section 10. The quest for truth. As we conclude our investigation, we confront the complexity of the subject matter. We reflect on the allure of the unknown and the human desire to seek answers beyond the limits of our comprehension. Embracing the spirit of discovery, we invite viewers to continue exploring the mysteries of the universe, acknowledging that while many questions remain unanswered, the pursuit of knowledge and the wonder of the cosmos are endless. Throughout history, the possibility of intelligent extraterrestrial life has sparked intrigue and ignited our imagination. As we ventured through legends, UFO encounters, scientific theories, and human beliefs, we embarked on a profound journey into the world of potential alien-human hybrids. While concrete evidence remains elusive, the allure of the enigmatic persists, fueling our curiosity about the cosmos and the possibility of life beyond our planet. As we gaze at the stars with wonder, we are reminded that the pursuit of truth is a timeless quest that unites humanity in its shared curiosity and desire to understand the mysteries of the universe.